Oh, she looks a lot more professional now, yeah? Riley thinks so. Well, like I said, a little plexi cover in there. We can see all the lights. It's currently charging. Plug her in there. Mounted the box fairly rigidly, just a couple of screws on either end. Plan eventually to put a dump bucket on here, and when I do that, these two batteries will go up on either side of this box. Box will get repositioned a little bit, and then I can add weight into the dump box to to counterbalance the plow and all that. But for now, getting these batteries as far back as possible obviously is going to help the weight. But still got to wire everything up. It's color coded the connections so that it's going to be corresponding colors and quick and easy to unplug and plug, and wire up the connections to the actual equipment, and then put the limit switches on there, actually measuring, and then she'll be good to drive again. Looking all right though. I like it. Da 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 da. Couple little switches. Just put one with a threaded rod so it's adjustable. Just basic switches. Well, I had might put better ones on later. Might even redo that whole thing, but it's all right for now. Seems to be working. And like I said too, on the radio here, we got the safety, so it doesn't do anything. Engaged, and it starts working. It gets it pretty high off the ground. Probably high enough. It's easily enough to have clear past some snow. If snow is taller than that, oh well. Yeah, I just gotta get the rest of it wired back up. It's all ready for another test. We got, obviously we got some plow action. And then we've got drive again. Forward, backward, right, left, and then just obviously you can, depending on which way you push the stick, you can get it to do whatever you want. Oh yeah, get some shrink tube on these here joints and color code them as well, and then maybe we'll go outside and give her a quick test. It's dark out now, but we'll give it a test anyways. As expected. Pushed the snow. Needs more weight though, just like we knew, but gotta get better chains before we can get more weight. Everything else worked fine though. The plow lift worked just as expected. The hole in the top was quite nice. It's dark outside, so it lit up bright red whenever I was lifting or lowering the plow, just from those little indicator LEDs in there. And the rest of it though, the weight distribution seemed to be a little bit better than it was. Mainly just because the battery's been pushed backwards a little bit. It seemed to turn better mainly. That's really all that seemed different on it. Pushing power and all that seemed to be about the same. But other than that, I wasn't able to get any outdoor footage there pushing just because it's so bloody cold. I think it's like -30 or something out there. That's not even a joke. Just too cold to hold the camera and all that and film. So maybe tomorrow I will. Tomorrow in 2018, I will get the camera out there and get a few shots of it actually pushing. We can see the way it acts. But until then, I hope you all have a good new year, and we'll see you in 2018.